What's the meaning of council? Council. Council.
Council. Council. The word council refers to a group of individuals who are chosen to make decisions on behalf of an organization or community. These individuals are typically elected or appointed, and they may have different areas of expertise or represent various interests. The council's primary role is to oversee the governance and management of the organization, create policies and strategies, and ensure that the organization operates in a manner that aligns with its objectives and values. Overall, a council serves as a representative body that works to safeguard and promote the interests of the organization or community it serves.